Hello everyone. Let us now discuss LeetCode question number 3361. Shift distance between two strings. So this question was asked in Biweekly Contest 144. Here we are given with strings S and T of same length and two integer arrays, next cost and previous cost. So in one operation, we can pick any index I of S and perform either one of the following actions. They are shift S of I to the next letter in the alphabet. For example, if we are at A, we can shift to B. But what if we are at Z? We can shift it to A. So this operation costs next cost of j, where j is the index of s of I in the alphabet. And same if you consider the previous cost, so we need to, in the another operation, we can shift s of I to the previous letter in the alphabet, and B can be shifted to A and A can be shifted to Z, because the previous letter to A will be considered as Z. Now, the shift distance is the minimum total cost of operations required to transform S into T. So we need to return the shift distance from S to T. In simple words, if we are at L and we are at so this is the uh, letter we are having at some index in S, and the target letter which we want is O. For example, if it is O, and then you can go either in the moving in the forward direction or moving in the backward direction. So if you move in the forward direction, you will be costing, like, let me say there are only one for next cost and also one for all previous costs. That means there will be 26 alphabets, and there will be 26 previous costs and 26 next costs. So L, M, N, and O. So to shift to M, it will be costing 1. To shift to N, it will be costing 1. So to shift to O, it will be costing 1 again. So here it will be 3. But if you go previous, that means L should be going to A and A should be going even previously. That means A should be going to Z. That means M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y. So these are all these elements. Sorry, these are the letters which we need to consider and their costs. But here we are not asked for the minimum distance. No, we are not asked for this minimum distance, but instead we are asked for total cost. But minimum total cost. So we have two options. Whether we can go either forward or backward. Forward or backward. Let me take an example. Here we are given with lead as string S and code as, this is the string we are given with and this is the target string. So let me consider L, and here the target character we need is C. So there will be C here, and after Z there will be C here. Let me write all those middle characters C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. So, if you count, before counting these characters, let me tell you the next costs given in the array are 111 for 26 times. So, the next costs are given for every letter, that means every alphabet, and previous costs we are given with 10, 10, 10, 10, and so on for 26 times. There may be like 1 2 4 1 again, and like this any random numbers, but I have taken these to understand how we can go further with taking either forward steps or backward steps. So if you go here, you will be getting 10. That means previous cost. For every character, it is 10. And for J, 10 again. For I, 10 again. That means we are having characters 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 into 10. That will be 90. The cost for backward is 90. Let us consider the forward steps. Now, L, A, B, C, D, F, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Here we are having, let us consider how many characters we are having. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So we are having 17 characters after L. That means 17 into 1, 17. So these are the steps, only 10 steps. These are the forward steps, only 17. In these two, 17 is higher. If you go wrongly with taking 10, you will be having more cost. Clearly they have mentioned that we need minimum cost, so we need to consider the minimum cost, not the minimum steps, not the you know the nearer one. So either going forward or backward, you need to consider both the cost, forward cost and backward cost. So what is the approach? How do we get the answer? Let me write a pseudo code here. So here, for I is equal to 0 to s dot size, we will be iterating, and if s of I is equal to t of I, you will be continuing. That means there is no need to go for forward steps or backward steps if they both are already equal. Now, to get the correct index, to get the correct index, let us say we have ci is equal to s of I minus a, and ti, the target character is t of I minus a. Now how can we get, so here we are having c as out of bound after z. That means you need to do modular arithmetic. That means if the forward one is target of I minus target character minus current character plus 26 percentile 26 will give the actual index where the forward target is, and backward target will be ci minus target I plus 26 percentile 26. This will give you the index where they are, and let the forward count of type long forward cost be 0 and backward cost be 0. Now we need to iterate from j is equal to 0 to f, that means forward index. Let the forward cost will be increment next cost of ci plus j percentile 26, and we will be initializing our backward cost in the same way. Backward cost plus previous cost of ci minus j plus 26 percentile 26. So the total cost will be first declaring like long total cost is equal to 0. Total cost will be minimum of, sorry, total cost will be incremented for every character by minimum of forward cost and backward cost. After we will be returning total cost after this iteration. Thank you.